It is so exciting to be at the boat ramp, ready to head out on the water. And when you're excited, it can be a lot easier to make mistakes. So having a simple boating checklist prior to launching can make each experience on the water that much better. I'm going to run through what I do each time I head out on the water for my checklist. Now, depending on where you live, safety equipment can vary, but one thing that you always have to have on board for everybody in the boat is a life jacket. So make sure you've got your life jackets on board as well as a throwable. I'm good to go with this particular system, so I can unhook the front strap. Now I'll move to the back and do that process. I'm going to unhook both of the safety straps in the rear. And there are a number of things to do back here. Safety straps, be sure the plug is in, be sure the plug is in, be sure the plug is in. I've forgotten that so many times, but make sure the plug is in. Remove the transom saver. And then on this boat, to prevent the motor from swaying, I've got little stabilizer clips that I've got on the side of the boat. I'll be sure to pull both of those off. And then the last safety strap. And I like to make my way around the boat, make sure that I complete every step as I make my way around. Now I should have everything done with unhooking the boat with the plug-in, motor ready to go, but I've got a few other things I need to do prior to launching. Another very important step is be sure to inspect the boat and the trailer for any aquatic invasive species, and it looks like in this case we're clear. Now I'm going to move inside the boat and go through the next steps. All right, my next step is I'm going to make sure that I have power for everything that I need. So I'm going to fire up the master power here, get my electronics ready. And another crucial element of power is being sure that the motor has enough juice to turn over. So what I like to do is just turn the key over, make sure I get that sound, that the motor has power to it. And from there, I'll also check my fuel gauge to be sure that I have enough fuel for this boating outing. Next, I'm going to just take care of some of my personal effects, make sure that everything is organized in the boat, and then get my rods out that I'll be using today for fishing and have those on the deck. So when I pull into the first spot, I'm ready to catch. Now be sure to do all of these steps off to the side so the ramp is clear for other boaters while you're preparing your gear for the day. I hope this was helpful, and we're going to head out and catch some fish.